All right, guys, welcome to Affiliate Profit Pages Q&A for April 3rd. My wife has gone to Toronto today, so it's going to be a short one. One of the questions that came up was, how do you get your affiliate link for ClickFunnels? Great question. Ironically, this morning when I went to go sort of get set up to do this, it actually didn't let me get into the account center, or for whatever reason, but I did access it through. It's probably just it was down for a moment. I've probably got a cache version somewhere in the internet that I keep getting served to, but let me just show you quickly how to get it, guys. All right, I need to, am I recording this? I am recording it, I think. Yes. Yes, I'm recording. Okay, so I need to share my screen. Let me find the screen that I'm going to share here. There's so many windows open here. Screen. Oh, that's new ClickFunnels. Yes, and Dexter wants to play. Okay. All right, so this is it. No, I'm recording, buddy. Sorry. Okay, let me share my screen. Um, this should be fine. Desktop one. Share. No, that's not it. Share screen. Which one am I going to share? Chrome, ClickFunnels. Okay, let me share this first. Okay, so when you're in here, this is the one you're in. Okay, so right up here under your name, you want to click on affiliates. Now, if I click on it, it won't go to it because I'm in my regular thing. So let me change my screen again. I don't know if I can just change screen. Okay, stop share. And I'm going to share the incognito because that's where it's at. Okay, share. Okay, so if I go to incognito here, so this is it. So in your affiliate section here, guys, you'll have all these drop downs, and this is where you get that link. So you click on the drop down, affiliate tools, get my links, and you can get them for all the books and everything. Basically, that's what your yeah. So right there. So what do you want to promote? So you get your affiliate links. This is your direct link. That's the link that I use. And that takes them to the sign up page, and make sure that you tell them to sign up for ClickFunnels Classic. Okay. That's the sign up for ClickFunnels Classic. And that is basically it, guys. That's how you get the affiliate link for ClickFunnels. Pretty easy. And then you just pop that in. A couple things I'm going to talk about too today while I'm on here. I'm just, like I said, I'm not going to be on here long. It's going to be a really short one. Legendary is redoing their affiliate program. So we'll see what that comes to. I'm pretty excited about it because I think it's going to get rid of a bunch of people that are promoting it in a non-ethical way. Because reality is, Legendary is not a get rich quick scheme at all. It is a really good training on how to do affiliate marketing. And it's probably the best training you can buy for $7, the most complete, the most biggest sort of community there that you could have. So that's why I recommend everyone go through Legendary. Now, to get approved as an affiliate, you're going to have to go through a compliance thing. I did it a long time ago. I did my compliance thing. And then you learn exactly how to promote it. You make sure you have disclaimers, all that kind of stuff, right? Because you want this business to last a long time. You don't want to do scammy stuff. So right now they're they're rejigging their affiliate program. So you want to go through the training and then apply it to sell anything. You can sell anything with it. So many people get caught up, oh, you're just trying to sell a course to sell a course. No, you can go sell anything. Go to ClickBank, go to JVZoo, go to Warrior Plus, go to Digistore, find a product and take what you learn there and build a funnel. Like I have funnels for so many products, guys. And then I learned how to make digital products. Like my ClickFunnels 2 account, like I have both ClickFunnels Classic and ClickFunnels 2, makes money every day because I've put up little info products that sell for $7 or $9 on ClickFunnels 2, and people go buy them. And that's it. And I can run them through an affiliate program like Warrior Plus. I can put it up there, get affiliates to sell it. But I learned that from doing Legendary. So you make sure you go through the Legendary training for $7. Now they sell a blueprint, and they kind of you have a coaching call, and they say, what do you think you're going to focus on? And generally, a coach will say, do you want to buy the blueprint? And then they give you a whole basically business in a box for whatever you're interested in. Tons of people do that. I think it's worth it. But you really, if you just want to be an affiliate at Legendary and get trained really well, go to the $7 course. I recommend the blueprint, but you don't have to get it, like I said. So that's the one thing that's going on. So right now, just go through the training. Secondly, master resale rights. I'm so happy for this. When it came out, they were going to give everyone go high level. And basically, I don't like go high level. I don't like all these other these funnel builders. I'm a ClickFunnels Classic person. I don't even particularly like ClickFunnels 2.0. I just happen to have it. So what's happened with the master resale rights is you can now actually build it in ClickFunnels, which I really like. Import everything in, and then you run it through ClickFunnels, and you get all the commissions, and they show you how to set up with GetResponse. I'll show you how to set it up with Aweber, because I've had both, and I much prefer Aweber. I think it's better open rates. I think it's just a better quality product for getting your emails into inboxes. I also find that it's way easier to keep your, so there's something called scrubbing your email list, and that is where you basically you delete inactive users, because you don't want to be sending an email that's never getting opened, because it'll make your delivery rate go down and make your open rate go down, and it just looks bad. So you want to, like, some people clean, some big marketers, like, if you don't open an email in 2 weeks, they boot you. I do 45 days, so a month and a half. If you haven't opened an email of mine for a month and a half, you're off my list, because I don't want to keep sending you an email, because I've sent you emails for 45 days and you haven't opened them now. So I'm just want to get rid of you. So I really like Aweber for that. The delivery is great. I think just everything, the quality of inbox deliverability, personally, I think is better for Aweber. So I'll show you how to do that. So that's really exciting. The other thing, I'm rejigging Cheetah method. I'm going to, not a lot of people are taking the resale rights on that. So maybe my price point is wrong. Maybe people don't want to buy it for $500. I think it's totally worth it for $500, but I'm thinking of repricing that reseller rights, so you'd be able to buy the entire Cheetah method and make it your own. Like, you could do whatever you want. So that's where we're at. The school, I'm still keeping it free for now. I'm going to, I keep going back and forth on this. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, guys. But I do like it. I like having to do this each week. It's really good. And at some point it'll become paid, but if you're in here for free, then you're good to go. If you got in here later and you're watching this on a replay, and you had to pay a couple bucks, hopefully I'm delivering the information you want. And if I'm not, then you need to tell me what you want to see, because I can only make what, like, I can't read your mind, so I can only make what I think that you need to know, unless you tell me, and then you say, hey Glenn, I want to know exactly how to do XYZ, and then I can show you how to do that. All right, that's it, guys, for the day. I've got a house, I'm holding down the fort, so to speak, while my wife is away for the next few days in Toronto, facilitating a big course there. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one. If you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit subscribe. If you want to get into my school, where there's way more training, there's full courses in there, then definitely there'll be a link in the description below. And I will see you on the next one. Cheers.